So I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and we know that suppose if you type this 3, this is the number 3, and suppose if you want to change this number 3 using a keyboard shortcut method, then you can simply type 218B. So you must type like this 218B, and after that you can see this is the Alt key and this is the S key. So you must press these two keys at the same time. So if you press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that this digit 3 have been turned here. So we have created using a keyboard shortcut. For more you can subscribe. Thank you.